How to join two videos in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly combine two videos in Canva. So now without further ado, let's get started. So start by clicking create a video to begin your project. And if you need to record yourself, you can click on the record button. Otherwise, you can head over to the uploads to add your existing content. Or you can even add videos from the templates provided in the Canva app. Now, the upload tab defaults to image, but be sure to switch it to videos or audio if needed to find the files that you want. And select the video you want to add, and you can just adjust its size by dragging the corners or reposition it directly on the page. And once you have added the first video, to add a second video you can simply click on the plus button to add a new page, and in this page you can simply upload and place your second video and then adjust it as needed. And once everything is in the place, you can click the play button at the top to preview your project, and this will allow you to check the transaction and ensure that the final video looks just how you want it. And if you are happy with the result, simply tap on the share button shown in the top right corner, and from the pop-up menu that appears, simply click on download to save your video, and you can even share to distribute it directly. And that's it for the video. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly combine two videos in Canva. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.